Bro forgot the milk part 1. Bro, where's the milk at? Where's the milk at, Owen? Do you got the money for the milk this time? Owen, you got money for the milk. It's part... And go get the milk too, sissy.
I gotta get the milk.
They gotta get the milk for... I can't believe they forget about the milk.
They don't have
Did
enough money.
Yes, I gave my sister $100 and she spent it on the milk.
She's spending on a new iPhone.
What did I say about iPhones? Here's another $100. Here's another $100. Go get the milk right now, or you're grounded, both of you. Go! Run! If you don't get the milk, Owen.
Owen, hurry.
He's getting the milk right now, y'all! He just got the milk!